This is going to be a demonstration of an installation of OpenEMR 5.0 using a Macintosh, iMac computer, and MAMP Pro 4. So it's version 4 of MAMP Pro. And we're going to use the actual MAMP Pro rather than the free version of MAMP. Okay, let's start. So first I'm going to click on the plus and add a new host. We'll name the host OpenEMR. And now we have to let MAMP Pro know where the directory is that the website is located. OpenEMR is a program, but it's a website-based program. Okay, here we're going to just set it here to the OpenEMR 5.0.0 directory. Create. So now we have a new host, which is one of our several websites set up in MAMP Pro, and it's named OpenEMR. Okay, this next step is critically important. Go to PHP under languages and change it from 7.16 to 5.6.30, the highest version of 5 available. Apparently, OpenEMR 5.0 is not compatible with PHP 7. So we save, restart the servers. Okay, now we're going to go look over everything. Now all we have to do now is just go in our web browser to that location. So we're just going to type in http://OpenEMR. So this is a web server running on our local computer. Nothing over the internet. You could even turn off your internet connection and this would work. So now we're actually going through the installation of OpenEMR. We're going to let OpenEMR set up the database for us. These things here, don't worry too much about. You can read through them. We're going to set the password for the OpenEMR database. I just set it to OpenEMR. I'm not worried about security on my own computer right now. The password is root by default in MAMP Pro. So now it's setting up. So yeah, the password is root. If that doesn't work, just try leaving the password blank. I think in the free version of MAMP, there's no password set by default for the database. I just set the password for admin for the login to pass, PASS. Okay, so far everything's working. Okay, it's working. We just keep clicking on continue. When you're doing this, if you want, you can read through these things. And we're done. We can start using it. There's our username admin, and I set the password to PASS. And here we're in OpenEMR. Now the first thing I always do, I go to administration, forms, and I like to activate my favorite form, Camos. So you click register, and there's other forms that you can install. So then you install the database, enable it. And there now it should be working when you're in a patient's chart, adding a note. We can do that in a later video. So here we have OpenEMR installed and running on our computer.